Alright, today we're going to put together the Smarti Pi Touch. This is it's a case for a Pi, I believe 2 or 3. Yeah, we got 2 or 3B. I believe the B Plus may fit as well. But I bought this for let's see, I bought it for this guy. This is let's see, a Pi. Looks like a B plus. So this is really an early one. Okay, well. And the reason I'm doing it for this one is I have a touchscreen for this, and I've been using this as sort of a development system for Python, where the target system is actually hooked to the network. So I've been editing the code here because this has a nice GUI where the target is a headless machine. It has no it's basically all command prompt. So that aside, irregardless, this is the Smarti Pi Touch case. Take it out here. Put it in the box. If I need instructions, I can get those online. Put that over here. And I've already opened it, so I've cheated. Dump the parts out. Alright, comes with a white cable, which I believe that is for the power. Let's see. And here are parts of screws. And some rubber feet. There we go. Everything sorted out here. That should be everything I need. That box is empty. This is an alternative way of mounting it, I guess. Take a look at these. Well, never mind. Have a look at that. We can see where this would be mounted to a surface, and then you would slide these into that mount. And this, allow you to mount to a dash or a beam or some other surface, maybe even a desk. We're not going to be using those for my particular installation. We got some additional pieces. Put that aside. So this back cover comes off. Push this in, lift up, that's off. The Pi goes here. There's a peg here and here. There we go. Notice it completely blocks the HDMI port, which is not a big deal. Notice you've got a screen on here. Brings the power port out. And all my USB and network connections, and even I have access to this still. Let me try something here. Oh, that's interesting. Holds it down pretty firm without the screws. Well, I'll put the screws in anyway. But one thing I'm not too keen on is the micro SD card is pretty much blocked in there. You can't get it out without removing the 2 screws. But for my purposes, this will be fine. I don't tend to change the SD card in this very often. Okay. So we're going to do that. Now we don't put the cover on yet, we got to put the display in. And this is the official 7-inch touch LCD panel. Okay. Alright. Oh, has to go in this way because I gotta have the power plug showing up through there. It blocks the other USB connector, but it's not really needed. Yes, that's fine. Sorry for the pause. Thinking about this. The longest screws in here are going to be for the stand. I'll do this by hand. I don't want to over tighten it. Oh, oopsies! Before you put in the screws, you probably ought to put the cable on first. It comes with another cable. So, whoops. There we go. It does come with another cable. Pull that out. Careful pulling it out. I don't want to pull it out all the way. Alright. Yeah, this is... Let's see. Alright, push that in like that. Pulls out like that. This goes in there. Alright, that seems to be on there good. Now you want to loop this back up. It's going to come through this hole. Originally I had one of those Adafruit laser cut stands like this one here, which these work fine, but I managed to break the feet on the one that I was using for this one. So every time I used this one, I didn't have anything, I had to prop it up. So this will take care of that problem. So I can do this. There we go. I'm going to push this back. So I don't want it. Now lift up the white color. And then I'm going to insert that. Alright. There we go. So that's now completes the installation there. You can actually still route the camera through from here. Put a slot in the back. I'm not going to put a camera on this one. And it feels like there's some additional pressure. There we go. Let me just get that on there. Yeah, it really does feel like there's extra pressure in that corner. There we go. Yeah, that's down. I might try plastic, or I might just remove that screw, because it really does seem like, in fact, I'm going to do that. Well, yeah. I'm going to remove the screw. I'm going to install it without the screws. This will allow me to have easier access to the Pi board, and well, it flops around a bit in there. Alright, so I'll put the screw back in. Yeah, sure, you're screaming. Download the instructions. Just follow the instructions. Yeah, what's the fun in that? It's tight enough, but I want it tighter. Alright, so I'm going to put this in. Alright. While I'm at this stage, I'm going to go ahead and plug in the USB power. There we go. A little white cable for that. I'm going to put this on now. I'm going to slide the bolt like so. The other bolt as well, just to keep things lined up. Okay. There we go. There's a little place for that to fall in. And I'm just going to tighten them a little bit. It's very hard to see, I'm sure, where the nuts go. Everything in the hardware is black, the case is black. Yep. There we go. Alright, I'll reroute this out the back. Let's put a plug. See if I can boot some lights up. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a good sign. Yep. I actually have a small keyboard for this. And a lovely little mouse. Let's make sure it's turned on. But that's it. I mean, it goes together fairly straightforward. I think the screws are optional. I just like having them there because I'm going to be pushing in those ports from time to time, plugging stuff in, removing things. But it does hold it. You can set the angle. It does come with some rubber feet. I imagine you could actually bolt that down if you wanted to as well. But yeah, I think this will work just fine for me, for my purposes. Oh, I remember this mouse falls asleep. Hmm. This is not good. Well, it's never done that before to me. Let's try rebooting. Alright, this is a normal boot up sequence there. Let's see. There we go. Alright. Looks like things are coming to life. There we go. Welcome to Pixel. Everything's loading. Oh, what does the messages work? Well, it takes some time to boot. There we go. Yeah, that's the. Where's the mouse? Of course, this is a touchscreen, so I can do that. So, alright, that really completes this video. This again was the Smarti Pi Touch black hat cover or back hat cover. This is for, I believe, up to Raspberry Pi 3. This will not fit the 4. There is another case for 4, which I have on order. I've ordered one because I've got a number of Pi 4s, and I want to have at least one Pi 4 with a screen as well. So that completes this video. Feel free to comment, rate, and subscribe for more. When I get the other case in, maybe I'll assemble it as well. I'm sure it's going to be as simple as this. It'll probably just come with another Y cable for the connector for the Pi 4 is, I believe, the USB-C. So, again, thanks for watching, and see you next time.